when an employee feels burnout, we're often tempted to blame the individual. Burnout is actually a sign of systemic failure, and the solutions usually have to be systemic too. We all have hard days, but a consistent feeling of emotional exhaustion related to work, or the consistent sense that you can't accomplish anything or you're losing interest in the work you do, may be a sign of burnout. If you're starting to feel burned out, you might be feeling more cynical at work, or that you lack the energy to be productive. You might be getting more irritable with coworkers or clients, or having trouble feeling good about your recent accomplishments. Some of the things that make burnout worse are when employees have very little control over their workload or their work hours, and they lack the resources they need to get their job done. It's also problematic if you don't have much of an idea of what's expected of you, or if you don't feel you can speak up when you need support, or you have a different idea about how things should be done. Burnout also sometimes comes when there's too much focus on work over a sustained period, and not enough time off or interactions with people outside of work. As you can tell, there are a lot of systemic factors that make burnout worse. Leaders in an organization can have profound effects on the engagement and professional fulfillment of their team members. For instance, in a study of over 2,800 doctors and scientists at the Mayo Clinic in 2013, each of these key leadership behaviors in the employee's direct supervisor was shown to have a relationship with higher job satisfaction and lower burnout. Expressing interest in the opinions of your team members and encouraging them to suggest ideas for improvement, treating employees with respect and dignity, and helping keep them informed about changes taking place in the organization, empowering others to do their jobs and providing helpful feedback and coaching on performance, recognizing employees for a job well done and inspiring others to do their best. And finally, holding career development conversations and encouraging employees to develop their talents and skills. New research is now also showing that the better self-care and less burnout in the leader of an organization, the better that that leader can deliver on these leadership ideals. Effective leadership is going to depend on keeping a growth mindset so you can work at getting better all the time, but also recognizing that it's okay to make mistakes and to prioritize your own self-care to keep your energy up and your motivation strong.